Regarding this approach, this area, and then this and this. First time we gave you a list where just name was written, and you can just enter any list with just clicking on the name. You said you did not want it. Then we moved to this card portion, and then you said you did not want any guest and host separately. You want every user to be guest, every user to be host. Then we revised the whole code, and then again we gave you a list where this was showing the list you created, and this portion was showing the list which was shared with you. And that too, you said okay, you do not want that. Then we moved to this portion where the list which was shared with you showing will be showing here. And again, you saying that you did not like the UI and stuff. So please, regarding this, when you provide us a proper UI, and then we can do that. You can just give us a like proper rundown as the one you suggested here. Just this one. We have two section, one for list where the host, and we did that. You did not like it. Then we moved to the other one, and then as for the language part, we can do that with whenever you want after the UI has been confirmed. This card portion, what do you want to appear in these two? You can explain that, then we can look into that and modify it accordingly. Uh, Again, this UI part, this one, I don't think there's any issue with that. Even if I go to upload, it's 8 pixel, and if I go to any list, it's 8 pixels there as well. Regarding this, you wanted to available and stuff. Okay, no issues there as well. It's showing available and it's showing who won bought. Then you said the size is issue. There is only one button and of the same of the size. And in case here there are two buttons and of two sizes. And then we move this button as well, uh, which in the last you said you do not want them here. And this one, it works just fine. Like if my message, you copy it and then you paste it my message, and then there's link for this list. Okay, let's share this list with another user, and I will log in here just to make something clear beforehand. If I just enter this list and it's bought, but if I click it, it will ask me to email, and if I just give email, it can do that. Since it's more than 51, split function does not allow without login. You have to be logged in, and I will show you that as well if you want. User to at the gmail.com. User has logged in, and this is the list he created, and these are the list he was which was shared with him. And I just go here. This user bought it. I just cancel this. Only this user can cancel it. It will not show for anyone else. It will be similar to kind of this like button will not show at all to anyone who is not that user. Uh, I just cancelled it. Now it will show here as well. And let's just say split. I buy it, and it's art split testing that name of the list, the price, and then the image. Just like you asked, if you want any changes here, we can do that as well. Split. It takes me here, and let's say I want to contribute 31 and contribute it. It has contributed this much. The remaining moves with 20. The total is this, and the gift name is okay. Since I started split, I cannot take action for myself. Okay, and this guy is the owner of that split, that list. I can delete that split whenever I want. Okay. Let's say I want to change my amount. I want to do 21 instead of 31. The contribution has been updated. Now it's in 20 and you have contributed. Again, copy link. You split message. You copy it and I can just paste that link to just show you that link has been copied. It's copied and you can do that. Now, just to show you, now let's just take this and I paste it here, and it takes me to the login page. Since I am not logging, you asked for this as well, and if I just log in, it takes me to that split. And since I am not the one who created this split and not the host, it does not show me the actions. Let's say I want to contribute 21, like 35. It doesn't let me contribute that, gives error. I have to give less amount. Let's say I want to contribute 20. It has been contributed. Now if I just go, since this is the user who started it, it's going to show him as well his contribution of others as well, and I can just delete it. It deleted that contribution and it's gone from here as well. Again, I can contribute it, let's say 15, and again I can contribute it. So that split function, I hope that explains the functionality you wanted, and it's just like you asked. So split is working as well. In gift URL field is missing, should be again that translation thing is not an issue. Once we have confirmed, we will do that as well. And now this page is not accessible. You asked for it. We kept it for description, but since you said you did not want that page, we have removed that button. No one can view that description now. That okay, we have kept it. Let's say someone purchases it, and he host should receive an email, and that email is linked here. So I will receive the email for buying and other thing, and even for cancel as well, for bot, account activate bot, and everything. The following item has been cancelled by you. Test. Okay, it's let me know who bought it and everything else. You can just let me know if you want any customization in email. That's not an issue. Email. Let's just create another video, and since this video is already quite lengthy,